Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection you see the ideas of haircut, bob haircut, short haircut, top styling haircut. Haircut is very important, and when you take any hair your style, your personality automatically change. You look so pretty, you look so nice. Guys, regular haircut deals with hair breakage, an important sign of damage hair are spilled and minimize dandruff and dry scalp. A good routine encourage hair growth. It is a form of self-care. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And this collection is all about new trending and latest collection only for you. So thank you so much guys to watch the video, like to my video, share to my video. Haircut is very amazing. Take a picture, go to a salon and take a beautiful haircut.